Hi there, it's Olga. Today I'm here to remind you that one of the great ways to get more out of your tag dies is to create banners with them. All you have to do is to flip the tag upside down. You can either make a few banners on a string or use just one. I'm going to do a little bit of recycling today. Here is the pretty wall calendar that I have. It features some nice brush stroke patterns, and since I don't need a month of January anymore, I'm gonna use the wrong side of it as the pattern paper. The tag die I'm using is the largest die from Tag Builder die set. Here I'm framing the portion of the pattern that I like the best. Then I'm trimming off the paper around it to be able to send it through the die cutting machine. And here is the tag shape that I get, or the banner shape. I'm going to back up this die cut with another one that I have created using the same die. And by the way, this die cut is also the part of the packaging. I'm simply applying some adhesive and sticking them back to back. I decided to go with the recycling today, but of course you can create your own background using some paint. So now I'm going to add some decorations to the banner, and these flower dies I'm using are also a part of Tag Builder die set. I will be using the darkest portion of the pattern to die cut the leaves. Now I'm using the smaller tag die to mark the position of the holes. I have to make 2 at the top of the tag to be able to hang it, and about 5 of them at the bottom. Those ones are for attaching the fringe. You don't have to have the smaller die to be able to do this, but it's just a bit more convenient to me. So now I'm using a punch to punch all the holes exactly where I marked them. And as always, the tools and supplies that I'm using are listed down below in the description and on my blog. This curved banner die is a part of Sentiment Tag Builder set. It also includes some stamp sentiments, so I'm gonna stamp one of them onto the banner. This banner coordinates perfectly with the Tag Builder set, and it has the same curve as the bottom of the tag. So now I'm using some foam squares to attach that banner at the top of the background banner. Next I'm going to attach the flower. So first I'm applying some glue onto the leaves and sticking them down. Then I'm going to add a flower and a flower center too. To create the fringe, I'm going to use some cotton yarn. I'm folding each piece of yarn in two, pushing it through the holes at the bottom of the tag and tying them up. I'm going to repeat this process for all the 5 holes, and then I'm also going to add one longer piece of twine at the top of the tag. I'm going to tie up both ends of the twine together, and then I'm going to hide the knot behind the tag. As for the fringe at the bottom, you can leave it as it is, but I'm going to take all 5 pieces together and tie up the knot again. And then I'm going to trim off the excess twine, and that is going to create a kind of tassel. So this is what the finished project looks like. It's super quick and easy to create, and it's a great way to surprise a birthday boy or girl, whether it's a friend or a colleague or a family member. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again really soon. Bye bye!